In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by accessing your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top. If you can't find it, select those three dots, look for it over here and click on it. Now to enable it, use this switcher at the top right corner. Then to use it, copy or cut any text. Now to paste it, you can click on it right away at the top of your keyboard, or click on Clipboard and paste it by clicking on it over here. If you wish to pin one of your added sentences, use this pen at the top right corner. Tap on the chosen one and click on this pin. You can unpin it the same way. If you wish to delete one of those sentences, click on the same pen. Tap on the chosen ones and this time use this pin next to pen icon. As you can see, after that, all of my copied items were successfully deleted. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!